Here's Phoebe, 11 weeks old. I don't know what she's talking about. I think she might be singing. Is that all, Phoebe? You have anything else to say? Is that it? Oh, no more story? No more story? No more? Anything else happen in the story? She's very tired right now. Can you give a little smile, maybe? Maybe a little smile? Maybe a little smile? Can you give a little smile? Huh? No? Okay. You look like you're gonna cry. Is that a cry? No.